So the students, this is the second video of this chapter, right? What is Edge? Edge is a by default browser is available in Windows 10, but now it is available in Windows 8.1 and later options also. Okay, so the Action Center is an option where new notification window center of Windows 10 is available here. In your mobile phone, we all know what is notification option. This is showing in your multiple options available: sound, Wi-Fi, mobile data, torch, screen recorder, Bluetooth, portrait, location, flight mode. Lots of options is available here. Same as in your Windows, there is a action center. Multiple notification centers are available here. I'm zooming this, just look this please. Tablet mode, connect, note, all setting, project, VPN, and all or different options are available in this Action Center. Is it okay? Means it is an option that gives quickly if you want to setting and performing any task, right? What is Windows Hello? Most important feature in this Microsoft Windows 10, Windows Hello is the option. Means it is a biometric security system in Windows 10 that allows to sign in into your system by using data, biometric fingerprint, face lock, and iris recognition. Is it okay? This features makes interesting to the Windows 10, is right? And the students, if you want to create new desktop during performing multiple tasks, just going to the task view option, okay, adding to the new desktop by going to the new desktop option, okay, just click this and you have to you can make a new desktop and you can perform your task in different tasks. There is no limit to add any desktop, right? There is no limit. Is it okay? And you can also check all the desktop at the same time by going to this task view options, right? And you can move apps from one desktop to another desktop. Means you can move different apps, different tasks in between the desktops, right? And also you can go into the closing options. So just close this desktop, you can close particular desktop. It's a very simple option available in the Windows 10, right? Okay students, the next topic is closing a desktop. You have done utility of Windows 10, right? Means different system softwares available in Windows 10. What are they? Just we are going to learn about this, right? Okay students, I'm going to quit this video. In the next video we will learn about utilities of Windows 10, right? Media players, RIP, and burning CD. Okay, thank you.